Oh, guys, it's time for our Mad Science Friday finale.
But wait, I've got a riddle for you, Malcolm.
Okay.
Listen up. Mirror, mirror on the wall.
Yes?
Who are the best scientists of them all?
Bill Nye and Neil deGrasse Tyson? I don't know.
Well, no, Malcolm. It's
Oh.
Professor Mad.
Oh, my bad.
And Miles.
I knew that.
Come
Of course.
on.
Of course it is. What am I saying?
Well, you know what? I don't think you're getting an invite to their future cookouts. Anywho, today's experiment does involve mirrors, and it's so simple you can try it at home with your kiddos. Let's take a look.
Yes, we are the dogs of science.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof. And we are so excited to be here. Now, Jeremy and the boys went to a carnival the other day.
Ah.
Yeah, and one of the things they liked was when they walked in that, it's called the Hall of Mirrors. And when they went in there, you look at the mirrors and it makes you look a little bit different. It makes you look bigger than you are or smaller than you are. Now, here's the thing. If you go in and you look in a mirror, like in your house,
Yes.
what you're going to see is what's called a reflection. Reflection. You know what that means?
Yes. Oh, you want me to explain?
Yeah.
All right. So pretty much what your reflection is, I don't know how to explain it.
That's what I thought. Okay, your reflection is going to be an accurate representation of what you look like, just kind of bouncing back. So like if I raise my hand this way, then I'm going to see a hand looking at me raising it that way. But it looks like it's kind of on the other side. Anyway, pretty accurate reflection, pretty accurate representation. It looks like what you look like.
Good.
But in the Hall of Mirrors, their mirrors are different. They're curved. Now watch this. I'm going to take this here. He was showing me how I did this the other day. Okay? So if we look at this right here, now watch what happens when I bend it. See, check that out. Oh, got a hole in his tail. Now watch what happens when I bend it. It makes him look really skinny. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool.
Yeah.
You try it. Go ahead. See, just bend it in and bend it back out. Right? That's awesome, isn't it? Now what do you think's happening there?
The reflection is getting distorted because of how we bent it.
It's getting distorted because of how we've been. Think about it this way. Light reflecting off of the surface is kind of like a ball bouncing. Here, use my eyeball. Okay, like a ball bouncing on the floor. If the floor is flat and you drop it straight down, it goes right back where it came from, right? Okay, but watch this. Oops. See, the reason it did that is because it didn't bounce straight. Now bounce it over this way. See, what he did, he pushed it at an angle, came back up at an angle. This direction up and down is called the normal response. But if you drop it at an angle like he did, the same principle applies to light. We see it and the reflection bounces straight off, but when we move it like this, then the reflection is what we call distorted, or it moves in a different way. Pretty cool, huh? So, you want to try this at home, make sure you ask your mom or dad, parent or pet. What we got was a cardboard mirror, not a glass mirror. We got a cardboard mirror. You can probably pick this up at Dollar Tree or Dollar General, something like that. And then go ahead and practice in front of your mirror, moving it like that or like that. And you will see all kinds of different things. Or you can hold it up like this. Look at that. Yeah, forever and ever. All right, so that's what we've got for you today, right here on Dogs of Science. If you want to know more, this is really cool. We have summer camps coming out this summer.
Ooh.
Right. We got summer camps, or we can come to your school, your church, your community center, wherever you want. Ask them to give us a call. Check us out at Mad Science OKC. Or on Facebook, or on YouTube with Dogs of Science. We'd love to come out and work with you.
Ooh.
So that's what we got for you. Back to you guys.
Oh, those mirrors were acting a little squirrely. Did you?
Oh, my goodness.
Okay. We'll be back again next Monday around 10:45 with another Mad Science Monday experiment.
All right, guys, and if you're trying to get squirrely with the scientists, you can visit okcmadscience.org to find more STEM fun.